Let me ask you something. When was the last time you ate a juicy pomegranate, enjoyed the seeds, and threw away the peel without a second thought? Almost everyone does that. But what if I told you you've been tossing away one of nature's most powerful healing tools? Yes, the peel of the pomegranate, the part we usually throw away, is packed with natural medicine. And when you boil it into tea, it turns into a health-boosting drink you'll wish you had known sooner. Today, you'll discover why drinking pomegranate peel tea once a week can improve your digestion, boost your immune system, clear your skin, and even help manage cholesterol. Stay with me till the end, and I'll also show you how to make it at home in just minutes. You'll be amazed at what this simple tea can do for your health. In today's fast-paced world, many of us are unknowingly harming our health with poor habits. We eat too much processed food. We forget to drink water. We ignore gut problems like bloating, gas, or indigestion, and we rely too heavily on pills instead of natural support. And when something goes wrong inside the body, our skin, energy, sleep, and even our mood begin to suffer. But nature has always offered solutions, and one of the most overlooked remedies is sitting right inside your fruit basket: pomegranate peels. People have used them for centuries in traditional medicine for their anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and healing properties. But sadly, we've forgotten this wisdom. Most of us just throw the peel away without knowing that we're losing a free, easy, and natural way to support our body. That's why pomegranate peel tea is so powerful. And the best part? You only need to drink it once or twice a week to see the benefits. Top 5 benefits of drinking pomegranate peel tea weekly. 1. Improves digestion and gut health. Have you ever felt bloated, gassy, or uncomfortable after a meal? That's your gut asking for help. Pomegranate peel is rich in compounds called tannins and polyphenols. These are natural plant substances that reduce inflammation in the stomach and help kill harmful bacteria without hurting the good ones. When you drink pomegranate peel tea regularly, it soothes your stomach lining, fights gut infections, reduces acidity and bloating. In simple terms, it helps your stomach relax and function the way it's meant to. And when your gut is happy, your whole body feels better. 2. Boosts your immune system. Getting sick too often? Always catching a cold or feeling tired? Your immune system might be low, and that's where pomegranate peel tea can help. The peel is full of antioxidants, especially vitamin C and ellagic acid. These help your body fight off viruses, bacteria, and inflammation. Regularly drinking the tea strengthens your natural defenses, helps your body recover faster, supports your cells from damage. And because it's natural, your body absorbs the benefits gently, without side effects. 3. Clears up skin and fights acne. Your skin often shows what's going on inside your body. If you're breaking out often or dealing with dull, tired skin, your liver or gut might need some support. Pomegranate peel tea cleans your body from the inside, helping to flush out toxins and reduce inflammation. That means fewer breakouts, less redness or irritation, healthier, glowing skin. Some people even use cooled pomegranate peel tea as a face rinse to soothe acne and tighten pores. It's nature's way of saying, "Let me help you shine." 4. Helps lower cholesterol and heart risk. Worried about cholesterol or heart health? Pomegranate peel is rich in punicalagon, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and protects your blood vessels from hardening. Drinking the tea once or twice a week can support healthy cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation in arteries, lower your risk of heart-related problems. This is especially helpful if you're over 40 and want to protect your heart without adding more pills to your routine. 5. Supports oral health and freshens breath. Struggling with bad breath, bleeding gums, or mouth ulcers? Here's a lesser-known benefit. Pomegranate peel tea has strong antibacterial properties. When used as a mouth rinse or drunk regularly, it helps kill bacteria in your mouth, reduces gum swelling, helps prevent cavities, and freshens breath naturally. It's a safe and gentle alternative to chemical mouthwashes. So next time your mouth feels sore or you have a toothache, try sipping some warm pomegranate peel tea. How to make pomegranate peel tea. Now that you know why this tea is worth drinking, let's talk about how to make it at home. It's easy and only takes 5 minutes. Here's what you need. 1 pomegranate peel, washed and dried. 2 cups of water. Optional, a small piece of cinnamon, ginger, or a teaspoon of honey. Steps: break the peel into small pieces. Boil 2 cups of water and add the peel. Let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Strain it into a cup. Add honey or cinnamon for taste if you like. You can drink it warm or cool once or twice a week. If you make a bigger batch, you can store it in the fridge for up to 2 days. That's it. Simple, powerful, and healing. Now let's talk from the heart. If you've been feeling tired, stressed, or just a little off, please know you're not alone. And it's never too late to start giving your body what it truly needs. Drinking pomegranate peel tea may sound small, but it's a big step toward nourishing your body naturally. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself 1 cup at a time. Your body is incredibly smart. It responds to care. And you deserve to feel your best, not someday, but today. Remember, small habits lead to big changes. And this one habit once a week could be a beautiful start. So go ahead, save those peels, brew that tea, and take one small step toward a healthier, more energized you. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Pomegranate peel tea supports your digestion, immunity, skin, heart, and oral health. It's simple to make, affordable, and all natural. Drinking it weekly can create a ripple effect in your overall well-being. So the next time you open a pomegranate, don't throw away the peel. Turn it into a healing ritual, a weekly cup of care, just for you. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone you care about. They might need this too. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips that make life better, one step at a time. Because even one change today can lead to a better tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and take good care of yourself.